Hey, this is Patrick from Crumple Pop, and in this video we're going to look at Halflight. Halflight is a series of 15 completely customizable light leak transitions for Red Giant Universe. Halflight's been built from the ground up for Universe, and I'm going to show you how Halflight works with Premiere, Final Cut Pro 10, and After Effects. So here we are in Premiere, and I have two clips that I want to lay a light leak transition over. So the first thing I'm going to go to is the Effects tab. Go to Video Transitions, scroll down to Universe Transitions, and there you'll find Halflight. So you're going to want to grab that and drag it onto your clip. You can double click onto it to change the duration. Then you're going to want to go to the Effects control, and there you'll find Halflight. So the first thing that you'll notice is the lens flare control, and we offer 15 different types of lens flares that you can use for your transitions. I'm going to go with Crash Triangle. As you can see, that shows up right on our frame. Next, we have our blend mode, which allows you to choose how you want the lens flare to appear on your clip. I'm going to stick with normal. Next, you can choose the opacity, the brightness, and the saturation. You can desaturate that as well. Next, we have our hue controls, and you can choose to change the color of the light leak, as you can see here. And then you can place the light leak where you want with the flip controls. So you can see here, horizontal, vertical, or both. So let's play this clip back to see how we like it. That looks great. Now let's check it out in Final Cut Pro 10. Here in Final Cut you'll see I have two clips. I want to do the same thing I did in Premiere, so I'm going to go to the Effects browser, go to Transitions, scroll down to Universe Transitions, and there you'll find Halflight. Drag that between your two clips, click on the transition, and there you'll see the same controls that were in the Premiere version of Halflight. So they work exactly the same. You can change the lens flare, the blend mode, the opacity, brightness, saturation, hue, and you can place the lens flare where you like. Now that you know how it works in Final Cut Pro 10, let's check out After Effects. So here we are in After Effects, and you'll see that After Effects treats transitions a little differently than Final Cut Pro 10 and Premiere did. So the first thing you're going to want to do is choose your two clips, and I have mine down here. And you're going to want to turn the eye off on the top. On the second clip, you're going to want to go to the Effects, go to Universe Transitions, choose Halflight, and you'll see it show up. Now you can see that the controls are almost the same as they were before, but we have Transition B and Mix. So what you're going to want to choose is the clip you want to transition to, which is my first clip. And then you see Mix. And so what we're going to do is we are going to create the transition with keyframes. So I'm going to create a keyframe, have the mix be 0%. Then I'm going to have it where I want it to transition in and choose 100%. Now you can play that clip back and you'll see the transition. And that's how you use Halflight in After Effects. To learn about all the other effects in Red Giant Universe, go to redgiant.com/universe. I'm Patrick Donahoe. Thanks again.